How to download GCash app on your PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly on how you can do this. Now before we proceed, I'm going to tell you that there is no official GCash application on your Windows computer right here. So just go ahead and stay safe if you see suspicious links out there. But in today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this safely. Now, the first thing that we need to go ahead and download is an Android emulator. This will basically emulate a phone on your Windows computer. Now, I suggest downloading LD Player. This is one of the best Android emulators out there. So you can just head over to their official website, and from here you can then go ahead and click on download. Or you can just go ahead and search for LD Player right here. Click on their website, and once inside, just go ahead and click on the download button. Right after, double click on the file right here and it will open up the installer. Just go ahead and wait for this to load in, click on install, and basically it will now install and download the Android emulator into our Windows computer right here. And so once inside, it will basically go ahead and look something like this. Now we can head over to the system applications, click on the Play Store, and from here you want to make sure that you have logged in into your Google account. Once inside, just go ahead and search for the application. In our case, it's going to be GCash. Click on install, wait for this page to load in, and we will be able to download GCash on our Windows computer. And so the only thing left to do now is to click on open. And as you can go ahead and see with LD applications right here, we will be able to go ahead and open up or install GCash into our Windows. Now, unfortunately, as of the moment, I'm having some issues with my LD player, so I'll just go ahead and restart this and it will probably work on another try. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.